in college for meteorology is home outside on his porch with his kids and a radio playing in the background. The National Weather Service has just told them they should get underground quick because of tornadoes coming. The kids are wondering what to do, and they want to know what a tornado is. The father is comforting them and telling them stories as they're going out to the storm shelter.
That's right, Connor. The EF3 tornado 2 miles south of Highway 95 is causing a lot of damage. We obviously advise all persons still outside to take cover in a storm shelter or in a ditch if no other safe places exist.
Tornado! Ah!
Kids, calm down. What's going on?
Turn off the radio!
We repeat, there's an EF3 tornado 2 miles south of Highway 95. It is causing a lot of damage. All people still outside should take cover in a storm shelter or a ditch if no other safe places.
What's happening?
I'll tell you once we get inside.
Back inside so soon?
Yeah, there's a tornado. NEF3. We better go to the basement. So kids, what's happening is 2 different levels of air are moving at 2 different speeds. This creates spinning in the air, and then warm air from the ground comes up and it tilts it on its side, so now it's spinning in the opposite direction of the ground. This can eventually create a funnel cloud and then possibly a tornado, which can cause a lot of damage.
Okay, that's nice. But are we going to die? And who will help us?
Well, we do have this nice shelter that's about 7 feet deep and 4 feet across. It was designed by some kids from Minnesota. What happens is, when the tornado comes over, the wind passes right over us because we're underneath the ground. The wind brings the most dangerous part of the tornado, which is the debris. You know, humans have stood in wind tunnels with 150-mile-an-hour wind, and they've been perfectly fine. But you really don't want to get hit with a 50-pound brick. In answer to your other question, Shelter Box and Red Cross will also be helping the cleanup.
That's right, Connor. The EF3 tornado 2 miles south of Highway 95 actually turned out to be an EF4 tornado. It has caused a lot of damage and flattened buildings and houses for miles around. You can literally see for miles in any direction because of the damage it has caused. The tornado has fizzled out, though, and is hopefully gone for good. Now, if you are injured, then you should probably...
All you people cowered in your basements can come out now. You should probably seek medical help if you're injured. If you didn't cower in your basements, you probably aren't around to hear this message because you were hit by, a brick or something. This is Connor and Kaylee signing out.
I got one.
That is a model that we made for basically what the shelter would be.
So it would be 7 feet deep. Basically, really tall people, most really tall people could fit. We also designed it with some flashlights and stuff, and a sliding metal door. The sliding metal door is because a door that would just sit on top of it, it would be sucked up in the event of a
But
tornado.
the sliding door couldn't be sucked up because if it was on rails, the rails would prevent it from being sucked up. So, yeah.
Cool. Okay, so, questions for you.